Okay, so we just did a little Bernard baseball experiment here. We had a radar thing to measure exit velocities off the balls. We tried some wood bats. We tried some metal bats. We had these two kids hitting here. These are both 9U players. The bats we used here, we had a Victus birch. This is 30 inches. We have a Demarini USSSA bat. 29 incher. We had a 29 inch Marucci Kutch 22. This is the one they sell at Dick's. We had a new Marucci Cat 8 USSSA, and then we had another Victus. This is a maple one, 29. Is it 28?
29.
29. Okay. So the wood, we're gonna say clearly won. We kind of thought going in the metal might win, but that wasn't the case. This kid here on the left had 58 with this birch bat a couple of times. The highest he had with any of the metal was 56 on this one. He was consistently hitting the ball farther too in the air with the Victus birch bat. This kid on the right, I'd say pretty similar results. He actually did hit one 55 with this and only 54 with some of the wood bats, but most of his hits with the wood bats were very good. He was really driving some deep with this and this. Not as much so with some of the metal. I mean, he had some good hits with it, but it wasn't like you might expect that the metal would do better. We actually would say that he had more hard hits overall probably with the wood, but he did have one a little higher with the metal. But, you know, the other kid hit 58 and didn't get close to that with any of the metal, as close as 56, and he had a lot of hard hit balls with the wood. So, you know, if you hear these myths that these metal bats hit the ball harder, at least not as far as exit velocities go, that's probably not true, at least based on our experiment. So that's what you guys are saying, the metal?
Yeah, no.
Thumbs down for the metal? Okay. Josh, which bat did you like hitting with the best?
This one.
The birch. What about you, Braden?
Yeah, I like this, my Victus and the birch.
And the birch. So we're both choosing Victuses. You guys both hit the ball really well with that Marucci too, though. That Marucci wood bat in the middle. So they're definitely picking Victuses, and that's what we're picking too at Bernard Baseball.